Hi guys, you're welcome back. Ultimate Love. Take a pause and smile. Arnold motivates fans with a cute photo. Henry Arnold of the just concluded Ultimate Love Season 1 shared stunning photo of himself with some words of encouragement to his fans via his Instagram page. Henry Arnold, who is an actor, content creator, and entrepreneur, was a participant in the Ultimate Love Season 1. He was paired with Bolanle Oluchi Babalola, with the couple name Bola, as they were tasked to find and win the ultimate prize. However, they ended up as the second runner-up of the show. Arnold, as is popularly known, took to his social media account via Instagram to share lovely pictures of himself with some words of motivation to his fans, never to lose hope as long as there's life, even if everything is not going as planned this year. Caption under the photo he wrote, "Slow and steady wins the race. I know you feel sad that the year seems slow and your plans kinda looks unachievable. Just take a pause and smile. You are still alive, smile Joe. There's light at the end of the tunnel. I love you, Bolas." Recall that since the end of the show, Arnold and Bolanle have been sharing a lot of moments together, nurturing their love and have not stopped thrilling their fans with beautiful updates. Truth be told, they have really taken miles since the show ended, as most viewers of the show predicted they would part ways because they did not blend very well during the show. Let's continue to support the Bola and wish them well. Remember never to give up as long as you breathe. Alright guys, this is the gist I have for you today from the Bola camp. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned to Nigerian News and Entertainment for more gists and updates.